In problems 24 and 25, we're asked about determining the probability. And by here, we're talking about geometric probability. The probability that a dart would actually land in the shaded area. So like with all probability, the probability that an event occurs is equal to the number of favorable outcomes divided by the total number of outcomes. Which basically means when we're talking about area, we want the area of the shaded divided by the total area. Area of the shaded divided by total area. Okay, so let's look at this. We've got two circles, and we want the shaded part in between those two circles. So first of all, we have to find the area of that shaded part. The area of the shaded part is going to be the area of the entire circle minus the area of this little circle, because it does not include that that white region in there. So the area of the shaded is equal to pi times 6 squared, which is the total circle, minus pi times 3 squared, which is that white circle on the inside. Now this is 36 pi minus 9 pi, and that's just 27 pi. Our total area is just that whole big circle we started out with. That's our 36 pi to begin with. So we're going to take our probability to be the shaded, which is 27 pi, over the whole, which is 36 pi. Pi's cancel out, and we're left with 27 over 36. Is there any number that goes into both 27 and 36? And that is true. That's 9. 9 goes into 27 3 times, and 9 goes into 36 4 times. So our probability is actually 3/4. We're going to use the same kind of formula for 25. We want the area of the little shaded, and we want the area of the total, the area of the whole box. Now this case, we don't have to do any subtraction to get the shaded. The shaded is just a rectangle whose dimensions are 5 by 7. So the area of the shaded is 5 times 7, or just 35 inches squared. The area of our total is this whole big square, which is just side times side, or 10 times 10, which is just 100 inches squared. So we are looking at our probability to be 35 divided by 100. Let's talk about what goes into both of those. 35, 5 goes into, and 100, 5 goes into. So 35 divided by 5 gives us 7, and 100 divided by 5 gives us 20. So our probability is 7/20.